everyone, this is Chinmay Vaghasya and you are watching Teen Talks. So today, let me tell you 4 things which worry me the most. First and foremost, children are losing their childhood at an early age. Parents don't have enough time for their children in the present moment as they are busy in building nest for the future. Also, if you look at our schools, a child is meant to focus on the examination which will be coming in the future. And so, child forgets to enjoy in the present moment. Perhaps we focus on doing the right thing now, the future will take care of itself. My second worry is limitation of food and water. We don't have enough food today itself. What will happen in the future? A hungry child cannot think about anything rather than he desires to eat. My third worry is more war and rivalry. Look at the world around us. People are becoming so angry and short-tempered. We children become what we see around us. Instead of going to a war with another country, we can think twice and create friendship between two countries. My final big worry is increase in school fees of different schools. The school fees are already so much. Many schools hike their fees every year. What will happen after 2 or 5 years? Parents may have to pay millions to get good education for their children. Being educated is the basic right for everyone, and I think school fees should be such that it can be afforded by most parents. I dream about a future where people think 10 times before increasing school fees of different schools, 100 times before going to a war with another country, 1,000 times before wasting food and water, and 10,000 times before letting their child's childhood go away. I am hoping to do so many things. I have only started as a writer, as a creator, YouTuber, and as a reader. And wait, how can I forget? As a child. Please help Creative World and ensures that all children become fed, safe, healthy, and educated. And please help young people you know to start living their dreams as boldly as possible right now. Why should any of us waste the moment? Thank you so much.